Hey guys, in this car we have an issue where the brake lights are not turning off when the car is off and the brake is not depressed. And so this underneath is the brake pedal. So when you push it, what happens is you can see that it moves this little plastic stopper away from the brake switch, the brake light switch. And so what's supposed to happen is this thing's supposed to come back all the way, and when it does, it will depress the buttons. So when the button's depressed, the lights are off, and when the button's pushed up, the lights are on, because that knows that you're braking. So in our case, what we have is the brake switch, stop light switch itself here. We've got a 14 mil lock ring, and then we also have the little plastic stopper here. And so for a lot of people, the plastic stopper braking is why their brake lights stay on, but in our case, the stopper is fine. The issue is more to do with the adjustment. So in our case, we've got this little lock ring here. So I'm going to screw this thing out, and then you're able to rotate this by hand. And you can see that as I'm screwing it in clockwise, it's taking out that slack. And so now when I tighten this up, we are good. So now I can't see that button at all. It means the lights are going to be off. I'm not going to have to worry about that. If it persists though, I would replace this switch. And the other thing I'm going to want to do is make sure that I disconnect this wire, because I've been putting a bunch of twists into it, and just make sure that the wire isn't under any stress after you do this. So that's how I fixed it on my car, and I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and be well.